Welcome to Plan and Practice Hindi channel. Today we will see Pratmik Kahani Darzi or Hathi. Darzi means tailor and Hathi means elephant. So this is the story about Darzi and Hathi, tailor and elephant. We'll go to the story now. किसी शहर में दर्जी की एक दुकान थी. किसी शहर में दर्जी की एक दुकान थी. There was a tailor shop in a city. वह दुकान ठीक सड़क के पास थी. The shop was on the roadside. So almost we can imagine it's a main road where all the vehicles and all the animals pass through. राजा का हाथी रोज नदी में नहाने के लिए उसी सड़क के से होकर जाया करता था. There was a elephant in king's place. The king was having an elephant. The elephant used to take bath in the river. So that elephant, for taking bath in the river, it used to pass through that road, and it used to pass through the roadside where the tailor was having his shop. जब हाथी उधर से निकलता तब दर्जी की दुकान के सामने आकर रुक जाता और दर्जी उसे 2-4 केले खाने को देते. So when the elephant passes by the shop of the tailor used to give 2 or 4 banana. 2 means 2. 4 means 4. 2 to 4 banana to the elephant. The tailor used to give bananas to the elephant whenever it passes through the tailor shop. केले खाकर हाथी नहाने चला जाता. The elephant will happily have the fruit banana and it will go for a bath. It will start going on the road for the bath. इस तरह दर्जी और आरती में अच्छी जान पहचान हो गई थी. So like this, tailor and elephant became friends and they know each other because of this incident which is happening every day, as the elephant used to pass through his shop for taking bath. Next paragraph. एक दिन रोज की तरह हाथी दर्जी की दुकान के सामने रुक गया. So as usual, one day the elephant came and stopped in tailor's shop. So it was waiting for a banana, as we can understand. दर्जी के पास उस दिन केला नहीं था. The tailor was not having any fruit banana on that day. जब हाथी ने अपनी सूंड बढ़ाई तो दर्जी ने खेल में एक सुई उसकी सूंड में चुबा दिया. So as usual, the elephant put his trunk on tailor table, or it raises its trunk for receiving the banana from the tailor. As the banana was not there, the tailor did not say that, but he played with it for fun and amusement. What did he do? He took a needle and poked it or pricked or stabbed it. Subhana is poking, pricking or stabbing. Just for fun, he was playing with elephant. But it was paining for elephant. How you could one person can play like this with the elephant? It is very bad, as we all know. उसकी सूंड में चुबा दी means he pricked the elephant trunk with the needle. सुई उसकी सूंड में चुबा दी. He pricked the needle. He pricked the trunk with the needle. Elephant's trunk with the needle, which is very bad. यह बात हाथी को बहुत बुरी लगी. The elephant felt very bad and it started feeling very bad for that. It was paining for the elephant. उस समय तो उसने कुछ नहीं किया, चुपचाप नदी की ओर चला गया. The elephant was feeling bad, so it did not say anything at that time. At the same time, it did not do the tailor anything. It went silently to the river for taking bath. Next paragraph. नहाने के बाद हाथी ने अपनी सूंड में बहुत सा गंदला पानी भर लाया. गंदा पानी भर लाया. So the elephant brought the dirty water in its trunk. It filled the trunk fully with dirty and unclean water. और वापस आया and it returned from river after taking bath. जब वह दर्जी की दुकान के पास पहुंचा, तब उसने अपनी सूंड का गंदा पानी दर्जी की दुकान पर डाल दिया. So when it returned back from the river, it got the dirty water from fully with the trunk and it poured all this water over the tailor and his shop. So the place became dirty and with bad smell. दुकान के तमाम नए कपड़े खराब हो गए. So the tailor was having almost finished clothes, like he was, for example, he was stitching a blouse or doing some falls with the sari or with some shirt. He was almost everything, all the clothes were in the final finished stage or end stage or final stage of stitching. Everything got spoiled. Everything became dirty. All the customers' clothes which the tailor was stitching were in the final stage and everything got dirty and got spoiled. अब दर्जी अपनी करनी पर पछताने लगा. Now the tailor could understand how the elephant felt. He realized his mistake. He pitied the elephant. He could understand what mistake he has done. He has done a very bad thing to the elephant and in return he got the same thing from the elephant. This he could understand. Seek means moral of the story. हंसी मजाक की भी सीमा होनी चाहिए. Even for making fun and making a joke with other people, we should have a limit. Seema means limit. Hasi mazak means making fun or a joke with somebody. It has a limit. That is the moral of the story. Now we will go to कहानी का सारांश. Summary of the poem. किसी शहर में दर्जी की एक दुकान थी. There was a tailor shop in a city. वह दुकान सड़क के पास थी. The shop was close by to the road. एक हाथी नहाने रोज उस सड़क से होकर जाया करता था. One elephant used to pass by the tailor shop through the road which was there near the tailor shop for taking bath in the river. दर्जी उस हाथी को रोज केले दिया करता था. The tailor used to give banana fruits to the elephant every day. रोज means every day. हाथी भी रोज खेने के लिए वहां आकर अपनी सूंड बढ़ाता था. The elephant used to extend its trunk for getting the banana from the tailor every day. एक दिन हाथी ने हमेशा की तरह केले के लिए अपनी सूंड बढ़ाई. As usual, one day the elephant came and extended the trunk in the tailor shop. दर्जी के पास केला नहीं था. The tailor was not having any banana on that day. It got completed before the elephant came to his shop. केल केल में उसने एक सुई सूंड में चुबा दी. So for fun and for a joke, the tailor pricked or poked the elephant with a needle. दर्जी का यह व्यवहार हाथी को अच्छा नहीं लगा. The way he has done the tailor, the elephant was not happy. It was feeling very sad and unhappy. फिर भी हाथी चुपचाप नहाने चला गया. All this happened, but the elephant silently went to take bath in the river. नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. वापस आते समय हाथी ने अपनी सूंड में गंदा पानी भर लिया. So in return, when it was coming from the river, it filled all the dirty water in its trunk. उसने दर्जी की दुकान पर वह गंदी पानी डाल दिया. It put all the dirty water. It threw all the dirty water and took revenge on the tailor. In return, when it returned from the river after taking bath, इससे दुकान में रखे सारे नए कपड़े खराब हो गए. So all the new clothes that were kept in the tailor shop, got dished and everything got spoiled. All the clothes got spoiled and they were in the final stage. अब दर्जी पछताने लगा. Now the tailor felt bad and he realized his mistake. What he has done to the elephant. What he has done to the elephant was very bad. We should not do that to any living thing. Maybe an animal or a human or any other living thing. We should not harm any living thing. Seek. Moral of the story. हंसी मजाक की भी सीमा होनी चाहिए. For making fun or joke with others, we should have a limit. We should not cross the limit and hurt that person or that living thing. This is the moral of this story. So this is Pratmik Kahani, Darzi or Hathi. Hope you all understood. You can read it once, understand the meaning of the words and write and practice. This will be very easy for you for writing in the exam as well as in future. Thank you.